Modify the user experience. Welcome to the third step in the Build a Battle Station app project. If you haven't watched the previous videos, you can find the playlist in the description, and you can probably find the videos on the related list on the right as well. So let's get started here. Modify the user experience. What you will do: modify the Battle Station page layout. Add a roll-up summary for resources. Page layouts allow you to customize the look and feel of detail and edit pages in Salesforce. You can also use page layouts to control which fields, related lists, and custom links users see. Which standard and custom buttons appear on detail pages and related lists, and determine whether fields are available, read-only, or required on detail and edit pages. Yes, you can do a lot with page layouts. Modify the Battle Station page layout. You are going to move some fields around and add a few related lists to make the user interface more productive and appealing. You can edit the page layout from the custom object definition page, but first you need to add a new Battle Station record. Click the dots to access the app launcher, then select Battle Construction app, click the Battle Station tab, and click the new button. Enter any name that you would like for your Battle Station. Obliteration Station has a nice ring to it. Then save the record. Okay, let's do this. So we're here. And we are supposed to do what? Not really sure what they mean with new button. Let's see if something comes up there. I just see I guess here new Battle Station, that's what they mean. Okay. Alright, Obliteration Station, we'll just copy that. Project status, we will leave that green. Weapon status, not yet operational. And we save it. What you see now is the default layout for the Battle Station that the Salesforce platform generated for you. This is kind of an opportunity, like in a normal sales view. Let's move some fields around to make it easier to work with. We'll move the project and weapon status fields to the right a little. Click the gear icon, select setup, then this launch setup in new tab, object manager. Okay, let's go back there. Object manager. Click the name of your object, and this as example, click Battle Station. Select page layouts and select the Battle Station layouts. Drag the project status field to the right column. We're going to scroll down here to the battle station detail, and I'm going to drag the product status field to the right column. Below the owner, okay, it's here. Drag the weapon status field to the right column, below product status. There's a lot more info for the related list record than is currently showing. Add the layout for the related list to include more info on the page. Click the wrench icon next to the resources label in the related list and bring up the properties editor model. The resources label here. And there we are supposed to add quantity and utilization. I'm gonna click OK. The same thing for supplies. Unit cost, total costs, and click OK. If you like the way things look, or even if you don't, click the Save button in the floating layout editor at the top. So now we can already reload this here, and this should look a bit different now. Let's see. Product status, weapon status, should show on the right, showing on the left for some reason, but I think it looks different than before, I think. Add some battle station data. Now that you have your page layout looking awesome, it's time to enter some data so you can really get a feel for how the application functions. It takes a large number of people to build and operate a battle station, so let's assign some resources to your project. Enter some resource records and set the quantities you may need plus a target utilization percentage. Feel free to be as creative as you would like. Here are some types of resources you might need to build your battle station. Click the dots to access app launcher, then select the battle station construction app. Click battle stations, then the obliteration station records, unrelated tab, click new, and on the resource list. Okay. Enter the following name. So new resource, I guess. Resource name. Spark Lord. You just copy that from the image. 10.1. Battle station, obliteration station, save new. Admiral 8. Utilization 50%. Construction worker. Done. Utilization 3%. Safe engineer. Lieutenant monkey wrench adjuster. Let's make this 10, also 3. Robert Foreman. Exhaust part inspector. The important part, as this was the issue. 3% utilization. I like 3%, so let's stick to that. Sandwich maker. Lots of copy and paste here. Curious if there's some way to just import like a list from like a CSV or something. But that's for another time to figure out. Massage therapist. 10. Yoga instructor. Let's make this 5. Got the trooper with ridiculously thin armor and terrible aim. And there we go, we are done. Now you need to do the same thing for supplies and equipment. Here is some stuff you might need to build a battle station. For the liberation station record, you need to add the supplies unrelated tab, click new on the supplies list. Choose the quantity and unit cost of your choice. Just stick to what's there. Planet destroying laser. On. Expanded. Let's make it 100,000. Donuts 5. And donuts 8 actually. $5. Or euros in my case. Welcome, clue. Tina band instruments. Quantity 5. Cost $40. Laser protecting eyewear. Makes it cost $50. Steel cost $25. $25. And the final and most important item, toilet paper. 20 items. $20. That's some really expensive toilet paper. Okay, finally we are done here. Now we're adding a roll-up summary field. As projects grow, it becomes difficult to keep a handle on what's going on as you add more and more resources. Actually, let's figure out the total cost. It all adds up, so that's fine. As you add more and more resources, it's hard to tell how many people are actually assigned to the project based on the limited number of records that display in the related list section. Let's fix this. As you can see the total number of resources at a single glance. When we create the master detail relationship from resources to battle stations, it provides us with some additional functionality for free. You can create a roll-up summary field that will automatically display the total number of resources on the battle station record. Okay, gear icon, battle station as the object. Already there. Oops. Fields and relationships. And there we create a new roll-up summary. Field label, crew members. Okay, I already did that there, just making sure. For your summary calculation, choose resources. And we select sum as the roll-up type. Future aggregate quantity. Look at that at the end. All records should be included. Only records meeting certain criteria. Okay, so they get a lot of different options in Salesforce to specify pretty much everything. And click Save to add the crew members field to the page layout. And save the crew members field. Now you can go back to the battle station record and you should see a total number of all resources. Let's go there. Resources. And you should see a total of all resources underneath the battle station name. And not really, I guess we need to add that somewhere in the page layout. Anyway, let's just verify this. And we got the 100 points. You can find the next video in the description. You can find a link to the playlist there, or you can maybe also see it on the right. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next step video.